That was a fun day.
Bobby, is that exhaust pipe
Guy's on job!
going to the turbo? Is that titanium or something? It's a really weird color.
No, it's just hot. Really hot. It just gets hot.
It's just
fine.
stainless.
What size was it?
13.
13 mil.
Okay. So who said 13 first? Bobby?
No.
You? Wow.
Well,
I don't know.
I got a couple of days
I might have
doing
said
this
it,
type
but
of
he
stuff.
tried. He actually tried things. So
Yeah.
It's not bad. You tried things.
Team effort. Team effort.
Exactly. He talks, I listen.
Yeah, but no one listens.
Andre, be quiet. Nobody was talking to you.
That doesn't stop.
This is fun.
Duh.
The anticipation, it's killing me.
I'm glad we have him here for the summer, by the way. This is good. Can we keep him?
Got it.
Well, hopefully I'm here as long as my friends will allow me to stay, but I'm moving here.
Oh, well. Look at you, a permanent roommate now.
Happy birthday.
I don't think that's going to happen.
Bite your tongue.
Wipe your nose.
They're my friends, but I don't think they like me that much
What
yet.
happened to my nose?
Do you need to tell us something?
I was in Avanti helmet. The white and turquoise one.
Oh, mine.
With a vinyl top.
Oh, that one.
Vinyl top.
Vinyl top.
So, are we going to talk about
Oh, so you're
what this
doing
oil looks like?
It's actually,
It ain't bad. It's fine.
I've seen a lot worse. It's actually in pretty decent
It
shape.
looks sort of like molasses.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Gas,
It's got a nice chocolate, a nice light chocolate tone to it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's not real dark.
It's not gas.
Whoa!
Shit the bed.
I thought it was open.
Shit the bed!
There goes the white shirt.
Oh my god! Again!
2 for 2.
No, it's not your fault.
It got on Chris only on his hand while he's filming. It's
I know.
awesome.
Wow.
I got a shot in my hand.
Hold on, I got purple collar.
Yeah. Scotty needs a bath.
Someone shot my hand. Well, you know what they say, once you go black.
I don't think it was. Yeah, that's always power. Stink.
Hang on. I'm gonna get some rags, Mike. Okay.
Well, that's why I got a little. We got the washer.
What's that for, Bobby?
It seals it, but it's still good. It's fine. Like Chuck would say.
Why don't
it's
all cars
fine.
have it?
A lot
They
of times
do in
have-
general. Sometimes
Yes.
they're a plastic washer,
Sometimes they're rubber.
yep.
Sometimes
Or they'll
they're
be metal,
aluminum.
and then they'll wrap them in rubber. They'll do like a
Old
dip.
cars had those too?
Yep.
So
Oh,
my
yeah.
dad did oil changes for 30 years without putting one on.
You don't have to, but if it's there, it's always a good idea to put it back.
Oh, yeah.
Always. Because you know if you do, you've ruled out at least one less place that it'll leak
We
oil.
are learning something.
They always leak
Come
oil.
with the kit.
I sold my 7 Series, my 5, my 3, my 6. They're all gone.
That's, we call it seepage.
Speaking of, mine's still in the maze. It hasn't heated up.
You know better.
Well, no, we just changed it.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it doesn't leak. They don't leak
everything.
coolant. They leak brake fluid.
What series BMW?
3 Series and X5
That means it costs more.
30.
I sold my 633, my 745, my 740, my E30.
You got some
Exactly. Well,
Hold on.
360.
Oh, here we
Hold
go.
on, homie. Clean up on aisle 1.
Yeah,
Give him the aisle 5.
Look at
Clean up on aisle 5.
Bobby, you ran the damn thing through the oil.
the help in action.
Well, you didn't clean up all the oil, so.
Well, god damn it.
Some bitch!
I thought we used to have
Bad or
beans.
badly?
Not 3.
Badly would be an
Clean it, winch.
I just remembered I forgot to have lunch.
You got a clean up, girl?
It's actually
clean up, girl.
happened.
Lunch?
What's the torque spec on that?
Tight.
Bobby, you gotta put the pan on.
Oh, yes. The stupid plastic garbage that doesn't need to be there.
That's the skid plate in case you go off-roading with this thing.
Because this is going to really protect anything.
You'd be surprised.
You'd be surprised.
I'm sure my mom used more protection than I was made.
Oh, hold on. We gotta get this.
I was waiting for an Ewa.
You what?
There it is.
I know. By the way, when do we meet Mom?
I'm trying to get her over here. Like, she
that'd
needs
be
to
fun.
get her ass over here.
I want to have white temper.
shocking using that finger, Glenn.
The skills, Glenn.
Are you flipping?
I know.
Yes.
The strength.
I can do a 2-bitch.
Wonder Twin powers activate.
I was
Form
I was
of
ice
a
skating my
dildo.
Roselle this week. I was like, oh, it's too goddamn hot.
I'm
to
sorry.
me.
An ice dildo.
Yeah.
She was always something.
Was he water? Yeah, he was water and she was an apple.
Yeah.
Goddamn right.
And their annoying gleek or whatever it was.
Yeah, that's so wasted money.
It's a small
A vineyard.
That's not what I heard.
That's because you have.
You can't read everything on the bathroom wall and take it as
One of his
biblical.
bandmates
And
is
he
a
makes the
small.
most beautiful red blend. This way. When I finish the last,
Oh, you better go back and get
I'm
some.
gonna ask him to bring some back.
I heard dinger. A small dinger.
Did you?
That's what I heard.
Can we
Well,
tell where we think his mind might be tonight?
Same place the rest of us are, but he isn't. She